I'm back with day 2 of tie-dye yarn. This yarn has been sitting here since this morning, and that's been about 10 hours. This is the Walmart tie-dye brand, and I wanted to compare it to the Tulip brand that we did yesterday. So let's see how it goes. This kit requires you to fill up the bottles up to the neck with water, and I'm going to do that. These are the colors that I've chosen for tonight's extravaganza. So let's see what it'll look like when I come back. We have our yarn ready to go. It's already been soaking. We've got our mixture already prepared, and we are ready to dye. All right, let's go. Okay, she's just squirting hers on in any pattern that she wants, and then she's gonna rub it in. You can put in any color combination you want, as little and as much as you want. Just make sure that it's all covered. This is the cheaper one, so let's see what happens. Okay, so this obviously is not blending into the yarn like the Tulip did. Tulip was a lot easier, and this is not absorbing into the yarn and not blending into the other colors as well as the Tulip dye. And this is the dye from Walmart. But I think it's still gonna give a pretty cool looking yarn, but I definitely don't think I would buy it again. Well, let's see how the rest of them turn out. Here's what mine turned out like. I also used what was left over from my Tulip tie-dye from yesterday. Or no, day before yesterday. So we'll see if it even works. Pardon my crinkly gloves. Oh, that looks cool. But yeah, we did notice one other thing too, that these are a little bit smaller bottles than the Tulip bottles as well. Okay, now I'm gonna put these in a bag for 6 to 8 hours, and then I'll rinse them out tomorrow. So I've noticed that it really doesn't absorb that good unless you put on a whole bunch of it for this Walmart brand. And then there's my daughter. She has put on a ton, and she's still trying to work it through to get it absorbed all the way through. So definitely not as good as Tulip. Okay, so now that the yarn has dried, I wanted to show you what it looked like after we were done. Now you can see that this is not covered well at all, and I had this pretty well saturated. The pink looks pretty good in some spots, but I had it sit for, it was about 10 or 12 hours maybe. I let it sit there for a long time, and it didn't really cover on mine very well. Here's another one that I did. This one, it didn't really cover very well either, but it's pretty. I like it. I'll use it. These are my daughters, this one right here and this one right here. These look like they covered a lot better. She saturated the heck out of them, but it still isn't as good as the Tulip. I would just actually say find the Tulip dyes on sale and buy those instead of using the Walmart brand. Okay, this is the Tulip dye. Look at how vibrant this is. I mean, this is gorgeous. Look at that. There's a little bit where it didn't get covered, but that's probably, you know, from just the way we applied it. But look at that. That's really bright. And then this is some more of the Tulip dyes. So as you can see, there is way better coverage, and it looks like the pigment is much stronger. Here's some more. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I'm gonna make a nice bathroom towel out of this because it matches. And then this is another one that I made. This, I think, was one of the first ones I did, and I didn't put as much on there. But boy, I'm really impressed with that Tulip dye. And I suggest anybody who wants to try dyeing some yarn, grab some cotton yarn. I just went to Joann's, and I bought all different kinds of cotton yarn, and I went to actually, no, I went to Hobby Lobby and I got a bunch of cotton yarn from there. They had different varieties. I want to try the fluffy or chunky yarn, which I haven't done yet. And I also have some others that we had dyed last night. So I will show you those in a next video. But until then, I will link a couple of the tie-dye kits below for you to check out. And I hope that you have fun dyeing some yarn yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. I'm getting close to my 500 subscribers. This is very exciting for me. I really appreciate everybody's support, and thanks for watching. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye. For more yarn fun, be sure to check out my website at crojocorner.com. There you will find my blog, patterns, merch, and my crochet planner. Keep all of your crochet projects in order with my new printable crochet planner. Watch the video above and order yours at crojocorner.com/shop.